Edge feathered hinge cutting is one of the easiest ways to quickly create a visual barrier or physical barrier along the edge of a woods. In most cases, the trees are already leaning outward to reach for the sun. It is simply a matter of cutting them and letting the trees fall forward. In this case, we have some reed canary grass to fall the trees into, and we intend to create bedding in this spot. The elapsed time for this operation was about 6 minutes and 56 seconds to be exact. We got a lot of trees on the ground. In fact, about 25 trees were cut at shoulder height. The next step will be to come in here and rake this out. This will make a great spot for deer to bed. It has overhead cover. It is dry, usually during the deer season, so I can expect the deer to be using this spot to bed in while I'm hunting.